Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, your one-stop shop for making better purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. We've got the Narwal Freo on the left and the Roborock Qrevo S on the right. So grab your popcorn and let's see which one of these bad boys will make your floors cleaner than your conscience after skipping leg day. Alright, let's start with the price. Narwal Freo will set you back a whopping $1,399. That's like buying a small island in the Pacific or half a Tesla. Meanwhile, the Roborock Qrevo S is a more wallet-friendly $799. With that extra $600, you can buy 3 months' worth of avocado toast or save up for therapy sessions after realizing you spent $1,399 on a vacuum. Reviewers generally find the price of the Roborock Qrevo S to be more reasonable given its features. Now, let's talk tech. The Narwal Freo boasts a Freo Mode, which sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. It makes optimal cleaning decisions. Basically, it's the vacuum equivalent of a life coach. It also has Dirtsense tech to detect how dirty the mops are, and smart Swing Mopping to tackle those pesky corners. Reviewers love its advanced navigation and powerful suction, but note it struggles a bit on carpets. On the other hand, the Roborock Qrevo S has 7,000 pascals suction power, which is strong enough to suck the soul out of your carpet. It also features auto mop lifting, so it can switch between vacuuming and mopping like a multitasking mom. Plus, it has dual spinning mops that sound like they're ready to DJ your next party. Reviewers appreciate its efficient cleaning and ability to handle long hair without tangling. Docking stations are where these robots go to recharge and gossip about how messy your house is. Narwal Freo has 3 mop drying modes, with dual air tunnels and gentle heat to keep those mops fresh and clean. Reviewers find this feature very useful for maintaining hygiene. Meanwhile, Roborock Qrevo S has an advanced docking station with auto mop washing and hot air drying. It's like a spa day for your vacuum. Reviewers praise its self-cleaning and automatic emptying features, making it a low-maintenance option. Navigation is crucial. You don't want your robot vacuum acting like it's in a maze. Narwal Freo uses corner traps tech to handle those hard-to-reach spots, and the high-speed spinning mop pads deliver a downforce of 12 N. It's basically the Hulk of mopping. Reviewers are impressed with its navigation, but note it can get stuck on rugs and cables. Roborock Qrevo S, however, uses PreciSense LiDAR navigation and 3D mapping technology. It can create detailed maps of your home, making it the Google Maps of robot vacuums. Plus, it has precision obstacle avoidance, so it won't get stuck on your kid's Lego fortress. Reviewers appreciate its efficient obstacle handling and detailed mapping. Lastly, let's talk apps. Narwal Freo supports 2.4G Wi-Fi, so make sure you're not on your neighbor's 5G network. Reviewers appreciate the app control and real-time tracking feature. Roborock Qrevo S also supports 2.4G Wi-Fi, but takes it up a notch with its upgraded app control. You can customize cleaning intensity, set up restricted areas, and it even supports multi-level mapping. It's like having a personal assistant for your floors. Reviewers love the intuitive phone app and customization options. Based on Amazon reviews, both Narwal Freo and Roborock Qrevo S are highly praised by users. Narwal Freo is commended for its advanced features and effective cleaning, though it has some limitations on carpets and requires frequent maintenance. Roborock Qrevo S is appreciated for its powerful suction, efficient navigation, and low-maintenance features, making it a great value for its price. So which one should you go for? If you want a vacuum that's practically a life coach and don't mind splurging, the Narwal Freo might be your pick. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with powerful suction and advanced features, the Roborock Qrevo S is your new best friend. Thanks for tuning in, smart shoppers. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which vacuum you'd choose. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Product links are in the description.